think your iPhone might have a virus? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove viruses and clean your iPhone step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Safari. Tap on Safari, then scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Tap it again to confirm, and if prompted, also close all tabs. This will remove browsing data, cookies, and any suspicious files that may be stored in Safari. This is one of the most common places where unwanted or harmful data can build up. Next, go back to Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Then open iCloud. Now go into iCloud Drive and tap Manage Storage. Here, check your files and downloaded documents. If you see anything unfamiliar or unnecessary, you can delete it to free up space and reduce potential risks. If your iPhone is still acting unusual, the next step is to back up and reset your device. Go back to iCloud and tap iCloud Backup. Then select Backup Now to save your data safely. After that, go back to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Erase All Content in Settings. This will completely reset your iPhone and remove any hidden software issues or potential malware. Once your iPhone restarts, you can restore your backup and check if the issue is resolved. And that's how you can remove viruses from your iPhone and keep your device secure and running smoothly. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, security guides, and how-to tutorials.